What if I told you that one simple cup a day could actually flatten your belly in just 7 days? No expensive supplements, no crazy workout plan, just ingredients you already have sitting in your kitchen. And today I'm going to share not one but 3 powerful recipes you can use, depending on what time of day you struggle the most. If evenings are your weakness, or if your sweet tooth hits after dinner, or even if you want to control your cravings first thing in the morning, I've got you covered. Stick with me. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this one little seed to shrink your waistline, stop late night snacking, and wake up feeling lighter. Why evenings destroy fat loss. Now, before I show you the recipes, let me quickly explain why evenings are the danger zone for belly fat. All day long, your willpower fights cravings, but at night, that willpower runs out, and your hunger hormones start working against you. One key hormone, called GLP-1, is responsible for keeping you full and satisfied. But here's the problem. GLP-1 drops at night. That's why those late night snacks, chips, popcorn, cookies feel impossible to resist. And the worst part? Your body is more likely to store that food as belly fat overnight. The good news? We can hack the system. And it starts with a simple cup of chia water. Recipe number 1. Chia water before bed. Here's how you make it. Add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds to a glass of water. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it forms a gel. Drink it about 30 minutes before bedtime. That's it. Now here's why it works. Chia seeds expand up to 12 times their weight in your stomach. That gel slows digestion, helps you feel full, and blocks those midnight cravings. Want to make it tastier? Add a dash of honey, monk fruit, stevia, or even a scoop of chocolate collagen protein powder. For an extra metabolism boost, sprinkle in cinnamon. Not only does it stabilize blood sugar, but it also naturally supports GLP-1, your fullness hormone. Recipe number 2, chia seed pudding. But maybe you need something more satisfying, something creamy, something that actually feels like dessert. That's where chia pudding comes in. Take 1 can of full-fat coconut milk or unsweetened almond milk. Stir in 1/2 cup chia seeds. Add a scoop of vanilla or chocolate protein powder. Sweeten with monk fruit stevia or vanilla extract. Mix well, then let it sit in the fridge overnight. By morning, it turns into a rich, creamy pudding that feels like ice cream, but works like a fat loss tool. It's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which keep you full and satisfied, so you won't go reaching for sugary snacks. Pro tip, add berries, cacao powder, or even greens powder for extra nutrition. Recipe number 3, morning chia smoothie. Now, what if you prefer to start your day strong and reduce cravings all day long? That's where a chia smoothie comes in. Research shows that people who eat chia seeds in the morning consume 25% fewer calories at their next meal without even trying. Here's my favorite recipe. 1 cup full-fat coconut milk or unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon cacao powder, 1 tablespoon nut butter, cashew, almond or peanut, 1 to 2 teaspoons chia seeds, cinnamon to taste. Optional, a scoop of chocolate collagen protein powder. Blend it all up, add a few ice cubes, and you've got a delicious, filling breakfast that keeps you satisfied for hours. Why this works? So why do chia seeds work so well? They're rich in fiber, which slows digestion and keeps you full. They're packed with omega-3s, which reduce inflammation, and they stabilize blood sugar, so you don't get energy crashes that trigger cravings. In just 7 days, many people notice less bloating, better digestion, and a flatter stomach, all from 1 simple cup a day. Now remember, you don't need to do all 3 recipes, just pick the one that fits your lifestyle. Evening chia water dessert like chia pudding or a morning chia smoothie. Start with 1 cup a day and watch how your belly starts to flatten in just a week. And if you're ready to take it even further, there's another drink I want you to know about. It takes only 60 seconds to make, uses simple ingredients from your kitchen, and in just 10 days, it can help detox your liver, reduce bloating, and accelerate fat loss. Millions of people have tried it, and I'll walk you through it step by step in my next video. Click here now to watch it, and I'll see you there.